Welcome to the infrared XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first we should go to the security app here, and now scroll here a little bit down and you'll see here the hide apps. Click here and we got here the 26 applications on our device installed, and we can hide all of these applications if you want. How to do that? You should just click once on this on the switcher near the which of application which you want to hide. For example, the AliExpress, the Facebook, LinkedIn, Netflix, and Photos. And now we got these applications just hidden, and here we can see that we have no anymore these applications on our device home screen. And if we'll go back to the hidden apps here, so we can see here that 5 of our apps of our device, they are hidden. Just to unhide them, click once again here on the switcher and we'll find them here again on our device home screen. So that's it, that's how to hide apps on our XIAOMI 12X. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.